ร้านนู้นมันที่นั่นมันเป็นชื่ออินดา
Welcome back to part 15 of the Asia adventure. We're picking this story back up, and where are we?
Mekampong village.
Mekampong village,
Yes.
high in the mountains of Thailand. So let's keep going.
Adventure if you can. ที่ร้านก่อนโรงเรียนครับ
This is the northern Thai sausage, and it's called
Sai ua.
Sai Ua.
Yes.
Let's try it.
Is that good?
It's very good. Very good. I seriously just missed her walk up and say, "You need to get the fountain." So there you go. I'm glad we got the fountain. Check out this hobbit door. Very cool. Loud rooster. Are you feeling very lucky? So this beautiful, beautiful area is like a restaurant slash hostel, hotel.
Hotel.
Yeah, hotel. Very, very nice. This is still on top of the mountain. What mountain? What's the mountain called?
Mekampong.
What she said. I won't try to pronounce that. We're gonna go get some food. Are you a dove? Look at the dove.
Oh yeah.
Is this for his soup? Oh yes.
Hello. Hello. So this hot spring behind us is not for people. It's for eggs.
Yeah. The hottest spring for here, this area.
Yeah. You get to boil eggs in a hot spring. How cool is that? That is a very happy statue. That statue loves eggs. Found Groot. Is it hot?
Yes.
It's a little hot. All right, so I want to tell you a little bit about the hot springs here. It was 180 baht. How much was the car?
Per card, yes.
So 100 for me, usual tourist fee, 40 for Thai,
Yeah.
and 40 for the car. The car is a little more pricier here at these hot springs. So we had 8 people. We got a family hot spring thing, which was really cool. It was outside. It was 500 baht
For an ounce.
for an hour.
Yeah.
And then you can rent towels for 10 baht. 20 baht? 20 baht. You could rent towels for 20 baht, and you could rent a swimsuit for 30 baht. So what did you think of the hot spring?
It's very nice to try. It's good.
A lot of sulfur smell. And hot. Our faces probably look red still.
Yes. It's still red.
All right, we're gonna go find some dinner and get back on an airplane. Let's go.
Let's go.
Woof, 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 woof. So this is the old fort in Chaing Mai. I guess the last remaining wall of it. Some nice reflections. Alright, now we're actually going to head to the airport. Bye, Chaing Mai. So, did you like playing cards?
Yes, for sure. And if I use the right hand, I can beat it easily.
Maybe. All right, let's get on this plane.
Let's go.
So, everyone wants to know, how was the terrible flight?
This flight is so smooth. Just a little bit feeling, but all smooth.
Yes, the flight was amazing. I was not a basket case. It was awesome. Let's get out of here. All right, now that we're back in Bangkok, there's a really cool star festival, night festival,
Yes.
something festival, where you look at the planets as best you can from inside the city. But first, we're gonna get the best salad around. Salad Factory.
Yes.
That chicken looks weird. So how was the amazing salad?
It was very amazing.
Very amazing. So your dressing was like red. What kind of dressing was that?
Beetroot salad.
Beetroot salad. There will be red everywhere later. Are you ready to see some lights? Stars?
Yeah.
Stars, not lights, stars. Let's see some stars.
Let's go.
So I just want to point out something here. It's December the 7th. It's like 7 p.m. and we are sweating.
Welcome to Thailand for this weather.
Winter in Thailand.
Yes.
เพราะอะไร
So we're in this line for a Jupiter telescope. We're kind of playing beat the clock because there's a cloud that's just below Jupiter. So we're hoping that we're going to see it. But if we do, we'll show you. Pretty good. Alright, so we tried to show you Jupiter and that was like, they wouldn't let us.
We just see with our eyes.
Yeah, it was cool though. Like you could see it. Like you could even see like the ripples in the glass. It was really cool. And that was the moon. Let's keep looking at it, see if we can find any other telescopes. And some heat.
ถ้าเกิดเขาบอกว่านี่คือจะ6 โมงแล้วก็เชื่อ3 ทุ่มเนี่ยแอบว่าเห็น
So how was the starry night?
Very, very amazing.
Very amazing. We saw Jupiter and the moon and lots of clouds and a little bit of heat considering the sweat on my face. It's now about 9:30 and it's still 88 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're getting out of here. Alright, so we're going somewhere amazing right now, but before we did that, because my brother is so awesome, he's picking something up for me that I only had with me to go pick up. So we just shipped him something very cool, but I just wanted to like throw out there very much. My brother is awesome, and if you don't know, you should. Let's go find somewhere pretty. Yumminess, chicken yumminess, good scenery. Alright, so where are we?
The ancient city.
The ancient city.
Or in Thai is Muang Boran.
Definitely what she said. What did you say? Mandarin?
Yes.
Hey, I actually
Ancient city.
I kind of got that right. Let's go see a whole lot more of this.
Some is in another country.
So this is the old capital of Thailand before Bangkok became the capital. I don't know K-pop, but apparently if you know K-pop, these people are really famous. Sapao was just telling me that this is the old Thai style of buildings. They don't build them like this anymore. This is the old way. How long ago did they build them like this? How long ago did they build them like this?
Really long time ago.
Before I was born, they did this.
Yeah.
It was actually probably a couple hundred years, right? All right, that's cool. Let's keep going. These really spiky, pretty flowers are called
Boysian.
Boysian. Don't touch. And this pretty flower is called
Chuan Chom.
Chuam Tum. Ish.
Yes. That's the same one.
What are you looking for, kitty? What are you looking for? Meow, 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 meow. This cool statue is to represent the fight of the Thai people and the Myanmar people. If you guys had any doubt of how hot Thailand is, here's some cactus. So it's really, really hot out there. This is how hot it is.
Yeah.
Very hot.
Very hot. Hot.
Thankfully she doesn't run away yet, but it's pretty bad. We're gonna clean up because we can. We're hiding in the AC right now because it's just that hot. And by the way, it's December the 8th, right?
9.
Today is December the 9th here in Thailand, and it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And I said December. Let's go find more stuff. Elephant riding. It's a little warm for me. Alright, where's this?
Welcome to the Pavilion of Enlightenment. Here.
Do you say moo or something else? Moo! Moo! Look at the baby. Moo! Okay. That's a big one.
The horn is different.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay, so that is the end of our adventure here at the ancient city, and also going to be the end of part 15 of the Asia adventure. And we definitely need to give Bao a very nice thank you for showing us all the great stuff.
You're welcome.
And hopefully it continues. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, turtle. Hello. So, just kidding, that wasn't the end. Apparently there's a really cool big elephant to add. One more thing. What's this elephant called?
Erawan Museum.
Adirond.
Erawan.
Adirond.
Yes.
Pretty much this story is just me pronouncing things incorrectly.
Elephant Museum.
Elephant, there we go, I can say that word. Elephant Museum, very big. So we didn't go inside for it, but we still wanted to stop and show it to you because it's really cool. And with that, now it's really the end of part 15 from Bangkok, Thailand. Till the next episode. Ah! Here we go. So you bring it? Oh! Right there. Right behind you, the black van.